You're done. I'm done, sir. 9X. Roll Thunder. Oopa. Shine member. Speed off. How much the way I move? How much the way I talk? I said the client never pay my back. Savage when you done set. Rolling on my car. Very short. I'm a 9mm. The fussy them. Very short, man. Very short, man. Very short. I'm a 9mm. The fussy them vex. Cause them can't get a feature.
Bucky markets, you know, see the speed of me.
When I'm broke skull in a giant. Yeah. Glock 40 for my belly, my clarity, when we ready. High grade for old heart, more lamedy. I hear this in my beat when it mix with the remedy. Have $1 million on my backpack, the cash out, the stocks and bonds, non-stop drop. Yo, Stecco, then the 3 series now have no value. Bad from school days overly. Fuck them girl, I'm a dose sorry. She and them I see white and more.
Speed up, Jesus. White is number me, man. What speed up, wonder? We just look for she and say, hey, woman, them.
Hey, I'm an SR boss. I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Are you think I get up in the beamer? What if you're up in the
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before we jump in, we're going to thank Father God so we have life. This is a late night vlog, everybody. So I'm going to beg everybody just click in the like button, the share button. And for all of my new listeners, please click the subscribe button. So people, you can don't see Wagwan. Valiant is actually the hottest dancehall artist right now. And me feel like it will last for a long time. You understand? Big up Valiant, Oberlin man as well. So I have to big up that. And people, the video here hot, right? You can see what going on, but let's like a show now, a snippet of the stage show, Eastern Extravaganza 2023. It was a big show, people. It was a blast. And you can see, while Valiant was on stage, he was performing with Jashi. And I think Labas was on stage as well. Fans actually a fight for tie the boss shoes. You understand? Big up yourself, Valiant. You understand? We don't know what kind of energy the G come with. As I reading in the comment section, and some of my subscribers actually I say the whole place under science. You understand? So big up yourself, Valiant. You understand? Your true talent, really a show. And people, I also have a video for drop as well, because Valiant and him son actually did a vibe to one I'm tune them. So I'm gonna make you see that. And you can see what I'm going, because I not even did know say Valiant have a son. You understand? And find out say the G have a son. And him a vibe with him, actually show him his youth to social media or to the world. You understand? It's not such a bad thing. So big up yourself, Valiant, and all the best for your future as well. I'm gonna see him have a few show lineup people out of the country already. So yeah man, Valiant is going to be in Grand Cayman in this month, and after he leaves Grand Cayman, he's going to be in Guyana. You understand? And of course, Jamaican Chat will be capturing all of those performances for you, and we will be pushing it out as well. Alright, so as I say, everybody, we're going to just like, share, subscribe. Go and check out the rest of the stage show, Eastern Extravaganza. I look a snippet I have, and also the video with Valiant and his son. Big up on yourself, my people. Jamaican Chat.
Speed up, Jesus. White is number me, man. What speed up, wonder? We just look for she and say, hey, woman, them are you think I get up in the beamer? Now when the boy pick you up in the Wait, I'm a father. So one buckler, one make them vex. Two in a make for the money we make. God up. I'm a father. Level. Box taking our come. I make this girl upset. I don't know what you said. You don't know the box. You don't know the father. Hey, who need what I think I can play hard? Me want a smart man. Yo, we can't forget the girl, let me know. What's his style? Alright then, them boy don't have no hobbies. I'm in a style, only a vastly.
Every minute. Try, man. Sing for them. Still I work hard and I lose focus. Too big for them league, put me in a World Cup.